Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not available on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve not available on Instagram, on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click here in this page. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.